Mm, mm. All my onions, lover. That's what I call a burger. If you're going to do the Dutchman burger, this is how you do it when you do it vegan. Ain't no fun unless the vegans can have some. Hey guys, it's your girl Chef Joya, and welcome back to my channel. Say what is vegan? We're getting ready to have a quick video with a super easy recipe that has been viral for a while. I actually did a video a couple weeks ago, but I wasn't feeling it that much. I had to plug up another camera, so I decided to do the video over. This recipe is literally gonna take you about 20 minutes from start to finish to create, but it's important to keep all of the flavors. If you can do it just how I do it, I guarantee you this is going to be the best burger you ever had. We're getting ready to do the In-N-Out viral Dutchman burger, and of course it's going to be completely vegan. Now, am I making my own burger patty? Absolutely not. If you want to make your own burger patty, I definitely have recipes I'll link below to making your own burger patties. If you want to have whole plant-based, or if you want to do a different form of a bean burger, I have those recipes for you. When I tell you I made sure that this was going to be better than the original, your girl did just that. So make sure you stay tuned and let me know what you think about this video in the comments below. We're going to start by gathering our ingredients. I'll be using the Impossible Meat 12 ounces, flaxseed meal, my Red House seasoning, and some vegan Worcestershire sauce. So I go ahead and I season my vegan meat with the Worcestershire sauce, and this one is already vegan. Just read the ingredients on the back of the labels, guys. It will save you a lot of money. And then I'm going to dump in my entire pack of Impossible Meat. Now, this Red House season has all the seasons and flavors that I need, and I also add a little bit of flaxseed meal in here, because if you have not used Impossible, or if you have used it, you'll know that it can break easily because it is a vegan meat that's meant to cook long and slow, but we need to cook this over high heat. So I mix that together by hand, and I add in some more Worcestershire sauce. And next I'm going to go ahead and work on my onions. Now, what I do is I like to save the scraps of my onions and a lot of vegetables, except like cabbage or broccoli, because then I make my own vegetable broth sometimes. So I stick that in freezer until it's full and make a broth out of that. Now, for this recipe, I'm using a yellow onion and a white onion because I want to see which one held up better. And the yellow onion did break right away. I did it about an inch, inch and a half thick. And then I set it with my Just Magic season, set it to the side. Now, I know I got to catch up in this video. So this is me making the burger sauce. Now, there are several recipes online, but of course, you know, your girl's going to do what she want to do. I decided to add the pepperoncini juice and the pepperoncinis directly to the burger sauce. That way you can get so much more flavor. And I did balance this out with a little bit of sugar, and I gave it a nice mix and taste. And then I decided to add some Tabasco sauce and vegan Worcestershire sauce and gave it another taste. And of course, I had to add some seasoning to it, my Just Magic. And when I tell you, baby, this was the right thing to do. I don't think I've ever had a better burger sauce. Next, I'm going to take my flat top griddle because I like to cook everything at the same time. I'm going to add my vegan butter and some vegetable oil. Next, I'll add on my seasoned onions, and I did put the seasoned side up, and I'll tell you why in just a moment. And I put on my burger patties. Now, the size that I did these burgers, it made 5. But on the 5th burger, because it didn't make any sense to have, I decided to break it down and combine it with the other 4 burgers. I did add some more vegetable oil to this because vegan meat does not make their own oil. Even though I know they put some oils in it, it's not enough, especially for this type of burger. So I went ahead and I flipped it over without smashing it just yet. And I'm going to go ahead and turn over my onions. Now, the seasoned side is going to be the outside of your onions. That is going to have the longest cook time. So that's why I did not put it on there first. Next, I went ahead and went to my vegan meat, and I am smashing it, guys. This is actually kind of fun and a little therapeutic too. So if you feel like just smash or something, get some vegan meat and smash it on the grill. Make sure it's nice and seasoned so you can eat it afterwards. Right? Look, I'm having way too much fun. So I go ahead and I flip it over, and I decided to use chow cheese. And I decided to use chow cheese because it's actually my favorite sliced vegan cheese. I use it for a lot of my vegan mac and cheese recipes as a base, and it melts easily, and it has a really nice and creamy texture. So I'm flipping my vegan meat back and forth. I'm getting a little taste, you know, don't want to waste anything. And it looks like my onions are just about ready. So I go ahead and give it another flip, and that color on it, baby, it is absolutely amazing. And that one that broke, just like I said, we ain't gonna waste nothing. You know, let me step off the screen because I'm getting a little greedy. Next, I went ahead and put some mustard on my burger patties and gave it one last flip and let it cook for about 30 seconds. I sprinkled a little bit of water on there so I can make sure the vegan cheese steams, and covered it for another 30 seconds. Now, with assembling this burger, I went ahead and laid down my onions. I added on some of that special sauce, and I did add the cheese size down. And I did not do another layer of cheese because, listen, vegan cheese sometimes get a little sticky and we don't want none of that. So then I went ahead and put more sauce And I've added some of that pepperoncini juice to it. And y'all see this creation, my God. So of course I already tasted some of that sauce. And when I tell you, baby, that sauce is saucy. It is everything. Now, this did not slip and slide all over the place like I thought it would. I did see a couple people who made this burger and they had trouble keeping the burger together. At one little point, like the middle came out, but I just smashed that bad baby right in. I really believe that the key to making it a really great was having it really, really hot and ready. But I can tell you that this is going to be sloppy. And I probably need a big bowl. Your girl need a big. Okay. Look at that. Whoo. Whoo. It's hot. I got to try to pick that up. Oh, my gosh. Wait a minute. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. I'm gonna add some of this pepper. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Baby, yes. Gotta bend over on this one. The combination of the seasoned patty, the seasoned onions, the meltiness of that chow cheese, the zang in that sauce, like that pepperoncini pepper really elevated it, adding those seasonings and that Worcestershire and hot sauce. I mean, everything is just like a playing field and everything is just coming together so well. Even that mustard flavor that we put on the end of the patty. Follow these steps to the T, okay? If you're like, Chef Joya, I ain't got your seasonings or whatever, link in the bio. I'm just kidding. Get something that's real close, okay? Because you're gonna need the flavor. Don't go out here making no unseasoned patties and no unseasoned onions. You wanna season everything to the gods, okay? Honey, say that again.
Season everything to the gods.
I cannot wait for y'all to try this recipe out. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's say that again. Like, because y'all be watching and not liking. Make sure you like, share, tell a friend, because stop saying, Chef Joy, your channel is so underrated. But did you share me? Did you tell your girlfriend? Did you tell your boyfriend? Did you tell your mama, your grandma, your sister, your uncle, your brother? This is where you're gonna find the best vegan recipes there is. I'll see you next time on Say What Is Vegan. I'm Chef Joya. Ciao. Get into my belly. That is no sense.